Imagine traveling 635 light-years away from Earth to a world covered in endless ocean, a planet that orbits a star just like our sun, a place that might not kill you instantly the moment you step onto it. This is Kepler-22b, one of the first planets found inside the habitable zone of another star. But what would really happen if a human landed there today? Would you survive? Or would this ocean world become your final destination? Welcome to Fact Lab EX. And this is what if humans landed on Kepler-22b. The journey. Kepler-22b is located in the constellation of Cygnus, about 635 light-years from Earth. To understand that distance, if you traveled at the speed of the fastest rocket ever built, it would take over 11 million years to reach it. Even if humanity developed spacecraft traveling at 20% the speed of light, the journey would still take over 3,100 years. Generations would live and die before ever reaching this planet. So your mission can only happen with one technology: warp travel or space-time bending propulsion, a theoretical method that doesn't make you move faster than light, but instead bends space around your spacecraft. You wouldn't be moving through space. Space itself would be moving around you. Whether scientifically possible or not, let's assume humanity succeeds. After a blinding jump through warped space, your ship drops out of hyperspace. And there it is, Kepler-22b, a giant blue world, darker and deeper than Earth's oceans. No continents are visible from orbit, just clouds, storms, and an endless ocean stretching across the horizon. First look. Kepler-22b orbits its star, Kepler-22, a yellow G-type star almost identical to our Sun. It completes one orbit in 289 Earth days. This places it inside the habitable zone, meaning temperatures may allow liquid water to exist. The planet itself is a super-Earth, roughly 2.4 times the size of Earth and 9 times heavier. But that also means gravity here is almost twice as strong as what you're used to. Every step would feel like walking with another full body weight on your shoulders. Your spacecraft descends into the atmosphere. The clouds are thick, tinted pale blue and silver. Sensors confirm this world likely has a deep global ocean, possibly thousands of kilometers deep with no land at all. The atmosphere is breathable. Maybe. You'll soon find out. Touchdown. As your lander breaks through the clouds, Kepler-22b reveals its true face, a calm but infinite ocean. There are waves, but no shore, no islands. Nothing but water and unknown depths. You engage the landing jets, and your craft settles on floating stabilizers. For the first time in human history, a human prepares to step onto an alien ocean. You open the hatch. The air feels heavy. You inhale slowly. That was a mistake. The atmosphere problem. The pressure on Kepler-22b is estimated to be 2 to 5 times higher than Earth's at sea level. As you take a breath, the dense atmosphere compresses your lungs violently. This is called barotrauma, when intense external pressure crushes the air inside your lungs, damaging tissues and causing internal bleeding. You quickly put your helmet back on. Your oxygen system stabilizes you. But now you know, this world is not as friendly as it looked. Scientists believe Kepler-22b's atmosphere could be rich in hydrogen and helium, with only trace amounts of oxygen. Without a pressure suit, a human wouldn't last more than a few seconds. The ocean of aliens. You scan the water. It looks like Earth's oceans, but looks can kill. The water here might not be normal H2O. It could be a form of supercritical water, a strange state between liquid and gas created under extreme pressure. At the depths of this ocean, water might act more like hot plasma than a liquid. This ocean might also contain high levels of ammonia or methane, toxic minerals and heavy metals, acidity strong enough to burn your skin if you touched it with bare hands. You might feel burning, numbness, or nothing at all before your nerve endings fail. But the real question remains, is there life here? Could life exist? Life on Earth needs 3 things: liquid water, energy, and organic molecules. Kepler-22b might have all 3. Underneath its vast oceans, Volcanic vents could pump out heat and chemical nutrients, just like hydrothermal vents in Earth's deepest oceans. On our planet, these dark underwater vents are home to tube worms, bacteria, and entire ecosystems, surviving without sunlight. If Kepler-22b has similar vents, life could exist, probably microscopic, but alien, maybe swimming below the surface in complete darkness, maybe building the first steps of an ecosystem. Your sensors detect nothing, but that doesn't mean life isn't there. It might be hiding deep below, far beyond your reach. The real danger. Even if you can survive with a pressurized suit, the dangers are far from over. Here's what could kill you next. Gravity twice as strong. Every movement drains your energy. Your bones feel heavier. Your muscles tire faster. Temperature swings. If the atmosphere is thick, the greenhouse effect could make this world hotter than predicted. Surface temperatures could reach over 60 degrees C, 140 degrees C. Or, if the atmosphere is thin, nights could drop to below 100 degrees C. Radiation storms. This alien sun may fire dangerous solar radiation. Without Earth's magnetic field, you're directly exposed. And the most terrifying part, the ocean beneath your feet is bottomless. If your craft sinks, there is no ground, no rescue, only crushing pressure and darkness. Could we live here? So, could humans colonize Kepler-22b? Maybe, but only with extreme technology. Floating cities anchored to artificial platforms. Fully sealed habitats with oxygen recycling. Machines to extract hydrogen for fuel and water for survival. Underground, pressure-resistant research labs under the ocean surface. It would be one of the hardest missions in human history. But if we succeed, Kepler-22b could become Earth's first true ocean colony. Kepler-22b is beautiful, blue, mysterious, but also deadly. It reminds us of one thing. Space is not just about exploring new worlds.
My sensors pick up a much higher
It's about
surface
understanding how special our world really is. Because out of billions of planets, Earth is still the only one where we can breathe without dying. Would you set foot on Kepler-22b if given the chance? Let me know in the comments. This is Fact Lab EX, and this was What If Humans Landed on Kepler-22b. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing space scenarios. And until next time, stay curious.